In this video, I'll show you how to recover old photos from your Gmail account and Google Drive quickly and easily. If you've ever lost a picture, forgotten where it was saved, or accidentally deleted something important, this guide can help you find those old photos again. We'll go step by step through Gmail attachments first, and then I'll show you how to check Google Drive, including trash, so you can restore deleted files if they're still available. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with Gmail. Open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Sign in to the Gmail account where you think the photo was originally received. Once you're inside Gmail, go to the search bar at the top. This is one of the fastest ways to locate old photo attachments without scrolling through hundreds or even thousands of emails. If you're looking for image files, try searching with a phrase like #attachment space filename :jpg. That helps Gmail show emails that contain JPG photo attachments. If you want to find older photo emails, you can also search with #attachment space older underscore then :1y. That tells Gmail to look for emails with attachments that are older than 1 year. You can also mix in names, email addresses, or keywords if you remember who sent the photo or what the message was about. Now review the search results carefully. Open the email that looks like it contains the photo you need. Inside the email, look for the attachment at the bottom of the message. Once you find it, you can click download to save it directly to your device or choose save to drive if you want to move it into Google Drive for easier access later. If you have multiple photos, repeat the process for each email result until you find everything you're looking for. If you still can't find the photo in Gmail, don't worry. The next place to check is Google Drive. Open a new tab and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account. Once Drive loads, start by checking My Drive. This is where your files are usually stored if they were uploaded or saved from another Google service. Then click Recent to see the files you opened or uploaded most recently. Sometimes a photo is easier to find there than in the full folder list. If the photo was deleted, the most important place to check is Trash. In Google Drive, open Trash and look for the missing photo files. If you find them and they were deleted recently, you can restore them right away. Just right-click the file or use the restore option, and the photo will return to its original location in Drive. Keep in mind that deleted files may only stay in trash for a limited time before they're permanently removed, so it's best to check as soon as possible. A helpful tip is to search by file type if you remember whether the photo was a JPG, PNG, or another format. You can also search by date, sender, or any word that may have been included in the email subject or file name. The more details you remember, the easier it will be to recover the photo. So to recap, use Gmail search to find old photo attachments, then check Google Drive for saved or deleted copies. Between Gmail, My Drive, Recent, and Trash, you've got several chances to recover your old photos without needing any advanced tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.